Relative paths in Python. I'm building a simple helper script for work that will copy a couple of template files in our codebase to the current directory. I don't, however, have the absolute path to the directory where the templates are stored. I do have a relative path from the script, but when I call the script it treats that as a path relative to the current working directory. Is there a way to specify that this relative URL is from the location of the script instead?
In the file that has the script, you want to do something like this. This will give you the absolute path to the file you're looking for. Note that if you're using setup tools, you should probably use its package resources API instead. Update: I'm responding to a comment here so I can paste a code sample. Smile. Am I correct in thinking that _file_ is not always available, for example when you run the file directly rather than importing it? I'm assuming you mean the _main_ script when you mention running the file directly. If so, that doesn't appear to be the case on my system, Python 2.5.1 on OS X 10.5.7. However, I do know that there are some quirks with _file_ on C extensions. For example, I can do this on my Mac. However, this raises an exception on my Windows machine.
It's 2018 now, and Python has already evolved to the _future_ a long time ago. So how about using the amazing pathlib coming with Python 3.4 to accomplish the task instead of struggling with os.path, glob, shuttle, etc. So we have 3 paths here, possibly duplicated. mod_path, which is the path of the simple helper script. src_path, which contains a couple of template files waiting to be copied. cwd, current directory, the destination of those template files. And the problem is, we don't have the full path of src_path, only know its relative path to the mod_path. Now let's solve this with the amazing pathlib. In the future, it's just that simple. Moreover, we can select and check and copy/move those template files with pathlib.
unios.path.realpath, sample below adds the parent directory to your path.
As mentioned in the accepted answer. I just want to add that the latter string can't begin with the bar. It should be something like the accepted answer can be misleading in some cases. Please refer to this link for details.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.